Good morning, students. Today also we are going to discuss about some models in the step functions, greatest integer function. Okay. After that, after some previous IIT questions, advanced questions, I will discuss some previous advanced questions. Okay. Therefore, integral 0 to 2 pi step sin x plus cos x into dx. Here where the step denotes the greatest integer function. This is the greatest integer function. Okay. Now how to write this is the greatest integer function. Okay. How can you write this is? Now here the sin x, all of you listen here. The sin x plus cos x. Now we are taking the root of a square plus b square is the 1 plus 1. This is the 1 plus 1 is the root 2. Now we are taking the into root 2 by root 2. The sin x into 1 by root 2 plus cos x into 1 by root 2. Now this is root 2 into, is it clear? The root 2 into sin x. This is the cos 45. Now this is the cos of x. This is the sin 45. Now we can write this is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is the sin of a plus b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is the sin of a plus b. This is the root 2 into sin of x plus 5 by 4. Root 2 into sin of x plus 5 by 4. This is the sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Is it clear? How to write this is? Now we have to take in between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, now we can write this is, all of you listen here. We have to take 0 to 2 pi. This is the 2 pi. This is the pi. Now this is the 90. This is the 270. Is it clear? 90, 180, 270, 2 pi. After that, this is the pi by 4, 45. 135, 3 pi by 4. 225. This is the 7 pi by 4. Sorry, 5 pi by 4. This is the 7 pi by 4. Okay. Pi by 4. Pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. Why we are taking here is there pi by 4. Now, this is the, we have to know that where it is 90, it becomes sin 90, it becomes root 2. Therefore, now we can take, this is the 1, this is the root 2, the maximum value is the root 2. At the same time, the minimum value is minus of root 2. Suppose if you are taking the x equal to 0, all of you listen here. If you are taking x equal to 0, the sin 45 is the 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancel 1. Therefore, now this is the 1. Suppose if you are taking the sin 90. Suppose if you are taking the pi by 4. When we are taking the pi by 4. Therefore, if x equal to 45. 45 plus 45, 90. Sin 90 is the 1, then it is root 2. Therefore, we are taking the here, that is root 2. Now we are taking the 90. Therefore, when we are taking x equal to 90, okay. Therefore, sin 90 plus theta in second quadrant, cos 45. The cos 45 is the 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancel, that is 1. Therefore, here we are getting 1. After that, we are substituting the 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 plus pi by 4. That is the 4 pi by 4. 4 pi by 4 is the pi. Sin pi is the 0. This is the 0. When we are taking the here, this must be 0. When we are taking the 3 pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 4 pi by 4, sin pi is the 0. After that, we are substituting the pi. When we are substituting the pi, now the pi means sin of pi plus theta third quadrant. Sin of pi plus theta is third quadrant. In third quadrant, sign is the negative. Therefore, sin 45 is the minus 1 by root 2. Root 2 root 2 is the cancel, minus 1. Therefore, now we are getting this is the minus of 1. Now we are substituting the 5 pi by 4. This is the 5 plus 5. Now this is the 6 pi by 4. Now 2 3s are 2 2s are. Now this is the sine of 3 pi by 2. Sine of 3 pi by 2 is the minus 1. Yes or no? Sine 91, sine 3 pi by 2 is the minus 1. Therefore, this is the minus of root 2. Therefore, when we are taking the 5 pi by 4, this is the minus of root 2. Now we are taking the 3 pi by 2. Therefore, 3 pi by 2 means 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 4. That is the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sign is a negative. Then it is minus of cos 45. Cos 45 is the 1 by root 2. Therefore, when we are taking the 3 pi by 2, then it is got minus 1. Now we are taking the 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4 plus pi by 4. 7 pi plus pi, 8 pi. 8 pi by 4 is the 2 pi. Sine of 2 pi, sine n pi value 0. Sine pi, sine 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, sine n pi 0. Therefore, 7 pi plus pi, 8 pi by 4 is the 2 pi. Sine 2 pi is the 0. Therefore, now this is the undoubtedly it will be the 0. Now we are taking the 2 pi. Therefore, when we are taking the 2 pi here, the sine of 2 pi plus theta first quadrant, sine 45. Sine 45 is the root 2, root 2, root 2 cancel. We got 1. This is the 1. So, this is the graph. Okay. Now, the graph of the sin x plus cos x. This is the graph. Now we are looking to all of you listen, here is their step function. Therefore, now we can write the sin x plus cos x. All of you listen here. When we can write root 2 into sine of x plus pi by 4. Now we can write here the sin x plus cos x. All of you listen here. The step of sin x plus cos x. Now we are taking the step of, all of you listen here, the integral greatest integer function, step of. All of you here we are looking what is the 0 to 2 pi is there. When we are taking, all of you listen here, this is the 0 is the 1. Now we are looking 0 to pi by 4. All of you observe here, 0 to pi by 4 or pi by 4 to 90. Is it clear? When we are taking the region between 0 to 90, 0 is the 1 and the pi by 4 is the root 2. Root 2 is the 1.414. Is it clear? So, the root 2 is the 1.414. That the step is also 1. Now we are looking this. Now we are looking this shaded part, this bounded part. Therefore, here 90 is the 1. When we are taking the 0 to pi by 2, when we are taking the 0 to pi by 2, that means we are getting the all values between 1 to root 2. All values are between the 1 to root 2. Therefore, this is 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2. When we are taking the x values between 0 to 90, those are all values are between 1 to root 2. The step of 1 to root 2 is the, what is the meaning of 1 to root 2? Undoubtedly we got 1. Is it clear? 1 to root 2 is we got 1. Therefore, after that we are taking, all of you listen here. Now we are beginning with pi by 2. Pi by 2 to, all of you listen, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. The next reason is the pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. The pi by 2 to the 3 pi by 4. All of you are getting here the pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. So this region. What is the region of step of this one? That is, here this is 0. These all values are 0 to 1 but not less than equal. Therefore, when we are taking this region, the step of this region must be below 1. That means 0 to 1. What is the value of 0 to 1 is the integral part of the step of the greatest the greatest integer function of in between 0 to 1, that equal to 0. Is it clear? Now we have to write here, we have to take this region. Now we have observed this region. What is the region here? We are looking, the region is 3 pi by 4 to the pi. When we are taking the pi, undoubtedly it will got minus 1. When we are taking the values 0 to here minus 1 to 0, we have to note that the integral part of the greatest integer function of below 0, that is equal to minus 1. Minus 1.9 is nothing but minus 2. At the same time, minus of 0.9 is the minus 1. That's why we are looking the, when we are taking the angles 3 pi by 4, that is a 3 pi by 4 less than x less than pi, that equals to, undoubtedly that equals to, what is that one? The pi is the minus 1. When we are taking this region, the step of this region must be minus 1. Must be minus 1. Next one. So what about the next region? This is over. Now the next region is this one. This is the region. Next one. These are all same. That is the minus root is there. How to write this is? When we are taking, suppose pi 2, what this value is? 3 pi by 2. This reason is, we have to know that pi value is the minus 1. Yes. This is the also minus 1. Now when we are taking the values between pi to 3 pi by 2, when we are taking the region, pi to 3 pi by 2, that is must be minus 1 to minus root 2. Suppose if you are taking the minus root 2, that means minus of 1.414. Suppose we are taking minus 1.3, it must be minus 2. That is the region pi to, what is the region is? Pi to 3 pi by 2. We can write pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2 is must be minus 2. Is must be minus 2. Next region is, this is the region. What is the region is? This one. Undoubtedly we have to take this region. This region in between minus 1 to 0. Yes. Minus 1 to 0 is this region. How to write this is? 3 pi by 2 to 7 pi by 4. When we are taking 3 pi by 2 is the minus 1. Here we are taking minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 is also minus 1. Therefore, that's why we can take an as, when the values are, we are taking 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 4, that is a 3 pi by 2. Allah listen here, the 3 pi by 2 to 7 pi by 4. Undoubtedly, that is 7 pi by 4 is must be equals to minus 1. Yes, we are taking these all values. Undoubtedly minus 1. Minus of 1. Then we are taking 7 pi by 4. What is another region? 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi. What is this region? This is 0 to 1. Yes, this value is the 1. Undoubtedly 1. The 1 below, we have to taking the integral greatest integer function. Integral part of the 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi is must be 0. This is must be 0. These all values are below 1. This is the exactly 1. That's why these all values are below 1. Up to the 0, up to below 1. Whose integral part is the step of 0 to 1 between must be 0. Now we can again take, this is the 0. That is the 7 pi by 4 less than 2 pi. This is the our limits. Therefore, now we have to find the integral of 0 to 2 pi. Is it clear? How to write 0 to 2 pi? Now our required solution is, we can write 0 to 2 pi, the sin x cos x step of, the step of sin x plus cos x dx equal to, first you can write 0 to pi by 2. Yes, 0 to pi by 2. What is the 0 to pi by 2? Is the 1 dx. Is it clear? Now we can write integral of pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. Yes, pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 is 0 dx. How to write next? 3 pi by 4 to pi. Then it will be the minus 1 into dx. Yes, the next one is the integral of pi to 3 pi by 2. Pi to 3 pi by 2, that is the minus 2 dx. Next, the 3 pi by 2 to, yes, it is 3 pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 to 7 pi by 4. Then it will be the minus 1 into dx. Yes, the last one is the 0. That is 7 pi by 4, 0 to 7 pi by 4, 0 into dx. 0 into dx. Now, the integral of 1 dx is the x. Integral of 1 dx is the x. Therefore, the limits of that is x means 90 minus 0. Now, this is the 90 minus 0. That is a 90 minus 0. After that, it will be the 0. So, 0 into 0. Now, this is minus 1 into 1 minus 1, you can 1 into dx is the x. X means pi minus 3 pi by 4. That is the pi minus of 3 pi by 4. This is the minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 into dx is the x. 3 pi by 2 minus pi. This is the 3 pi by 2 minus pi. Is it clear? 3 pi by 2 minus pi. After that, minus 1 into x is the 7 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 2. 7 pi by 4, yes, 7 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 2. This is the 7 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 2. The last one is the 0. Okay, how to write this is? How to calculate? Now we can here, now this is, we can write pi by 2. Pi by 2, this is the 4 pi, 4 into 5, 4 pi minus 3 pi. 4 pi minus 3 pi, that is the pi by 4. Now this is the 2 pi, 3 pi minus 2 pi is the pi. This is the 2 pi, 3 pi minus 2 pi is the pi. Pi by 2, 2 cancel, minus pi. After it is, we are taking the LCM. Is the 4. Then it is the 2 times. Therefore, 2 3 is the 6. 7 pi minus 6 pi. 7 pi minus 6 pi is the pi. Therefore, now this is the pi by 4. After we can write this is, how to write this is? Minus 45 minus 90. Plus 90 minus 90 cancel. We got the only minus pi. This is our required solution. This is the minus pi is our required solution. Is it clear? So all of you practice similar models in the periodic functions and the greatest integer functions. These are very difficult models in the JEE advanced. Okay, mains point of view, don't worry about that. Okay, it is only difficult for the advanced only. Okay, right. All of you here, the limit extends to pi by 4. This is the integral 2 to secant square x f of t dt upon x square minus pi square by 16. Is it clear? So when we can apply the limit x equal to 45, secant 45 is the root 2. Root 2 whole square is the 2. Limit 2 to 2, that means its value is the 0. Limit a to a f of x dx equal to 0. That means the area is bounded by only the x equal to a. That means it is parallel to the y-axis. Therefore, here this is the 0. Now when we can take x equal to pi by 4, pi square by 16. So this is the 0. Therefore 0 minus the pi square by 16, put x equal to, substituting x equal to 45. Pi square by 16. These two are cancelled. Therefore is in the formula of 0 by 0. Is in the form of 0 by 0. Now we can write the limit x tends to 45. Now we are taking the, when it is in the form of 0 by 0, we know that apply the L'Hospital rule. We can apply the L'Hospital rule. Okay. Therefore, we can apply the L'Hospital rule. Therefore, the derivative of the, all of you listen here, denominator is the derivative of x square is the 2x. We got the derivative of x square is the 2x. Now, the derivative of this one, we have to know that we can apply the Leibniz rule. Leibniz rule means when the integral is there, derivative integral is cancelled. Therefore, after then, derivative or the reversible process of the derivative is called the integration. That is, antiderivative is nothing but integration. Therefore, derivative these are cancelled. Now we can substitute the upper limit, that is f of secant square x. Now we have to find the derivative of secant square x also. First we are substitute the, instead of t is the secant square x. The derivative of the secant square x is the 2 into secant x, and also the derivative of secant x is the secant x into tan x. Then minus, now this is f of 2 and the derivative of 2 is the 0. Okay, this is the answer. Now we can directly substitute, right now we can directly substitute the pi by 4. Secant 45 is the root 2. Root 2 whole square is the 2. This is the f of 2. Now 2 into, this is the root 2. This is also root 2. Tan 45 is the 1. Therefore 2 into, now this is the pi by 4. Now we can write this is, in this case the 2 cancel. Root 2 into root 2 is the 2. Pi by 4 is sending to the numerator. Then it will be the 4 2s are 8 into f of 2 by pi is the answer. Therefore, root 2 into root 2, 4 2s are 8. 8 into f of 2 by 5 is the required solution. Okay. Let f of x equal to integral 1 to x root of 2 minus t square. Then the real roots of the equation, x square minus f dash of x equal to 0. Then the real roots, roots of the equation, x square minus of f dash of x equal to 0. So it is also one of the previous advanced questions, single option, straight answer question it is. Therefore, when we are taking the f of x equal to integral 1 to x 2 minus t square under root, this is the dt. Okay, how to find here? We can apply the Leibniz rule. We can apply the Leibniz rule on both sides. That means differentiating here. So how to differentiating? Then when we are differentiating on both sides, we get, this is the f dash of x. This is f dash of x. After that, it is integral and this one is cancelled. Yes. Now we can substitute the upper limit 2 minus of x square and the derivative of x 1 minus, we can substitute the 1, 2 minus 1 1. The derivative of 1 is the 0. This is the Leibniz rule. Now the f dash of x is, we got this one. Yes, this is the f dash of x. Now we have to find the real roots of x square equal to f dash of x. We have to find the real roots of x square minus of f dash of x. Therefore, x square equal to f dash of x. X square equal to f dash of x is this one. Now this is the 2 minus of x square. Now this is the squaring on both sides. The squaring on both sides. Then it will be the, when we are squaring on both sides, when we are getting the squaring on both sides, undoubtedly this is x square 2 minus of x square. Is it clear? When we are squaring on both sides, then it will be the x power 4 equal to 2 minus of x square. Now this can be written as x power 4 plus x square minus 2 equal to 0. We are taking the factors are here. Undoubtedly 2 1 ja 2. That means x square 2 1 ja 2. That means x square minus 1 x square plus 2. These are the factors. X square into x square is the x power 4. 2x square minus x square is the plus x square minus 2. The first factor equal to 0. X square minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to plus or minus 1. X equal to plus or minus 1 are the real roots. This is the imaginary roots. X square equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is the imaginary roots. What are the real roots are here? Plus or minus of 1. Okay. This is another period IID question. Integral 0 to 2x f of x dx equal to 2 by 5 into t power 5. Then the value of f of 4 by 25. f of 4 by 25. How to find this one? Now differentiating on both sides. Now this is integral and derivative cancel. We are taking x equal to t square. Yes. Then f of t square. F of t square. Is it clear? Put x equal to, substituting x equal to t square. That is it is a t square. X equal to t square. Then also we find the derivative of t square is the 2t minus of. Now we can substitute the lower limit. 0 into this 0, and the derivative of 0 is also 0. Now this is the derivative of is 5 into 5 cancel, 2 into t power 4. Now we have to find the value of 4 by 25. Now we are taking the t equals to, what is the t? If the t equals to 2 by 5, then it is 4 by 25. Yes, f of 4 by 25. Now this is the 2 into, what is we are taking? 2 into 2 is the 4 by 5. After that, now this is the 2 into, the t will be the here. So here all of you observe. First you can write this is, how to write this is f of t square equal to 2 into t power 4 upon, this is the 2t into t square, this is the 2t cube. Now this will be t only. Now if we are substituting t equals to 2 by 5, is it clear? Why we are taking the substituting the t equals to 5? We have to find the value of 4 by 25 only. The 4 by 25. Then it is f of 4 by 25 equals to, how to write this is, we can write 2 cancel. The remaining is the only t. The t is the, what is the t is? T we are taking the 2 by 5. T is the 2 by 5. This is the answer. Okay. The 2 by 5 is the answer. Is it clear? Now evaluate the integral minus pi to pi cos square x 1 plus a power x. We have to know that the two properties of there. The one of them, when the limits are equal, either the function f of x, we can verify it is even or odd. When it is odd, its value must be 0. When the function f of x is odd, this value is 0. When it is a even, we can write the integral twice into 0 to a f of x dx. But here is there cos square x is the even function, but the a power x can't be determined it is the even or odd. The a power x, we can't to say it is even or odd. So how to approach? The one more method is there. Another property is there. Integral of a to b f of x dx is the integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Just you can remember it. So integral a to b f of x dx is the integral a to b f of a plus b minus of x. Therefore a plus b, that is 0 minus of x, we can substitute the property, applying the property. The integral a to b, that is a plus b minus x, this is 0, we can, this is taken I, then it will be minus pi to pi cos square of minus x 1 plus a power minus x dx. Since it is the properties integral a to b f of x dx is the integral a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. Is it clear? Now we can write this is say that equation 1. Now we can write this is 1 by a power x, this is. Now the minus pi to pi 1 by a power x, that we have to take the LCM is a power x, that is sending to the numerator a power x. Cos square of minus x is the cos square of x. This is again we got 1 plus a power x dx is there. This is the 1, this is the 2, this is the I. Now 1 plus 2, that implies, why we are taking the 1 plus 2? The denominators are equal, then we take the LCM is 1 plus a power x. That's why we can write 2i equal to minus pi to pi. Minus pi to pi is there, the numerator cos square x. The numerator is the cos square x 1. Therefore, we can write 1 plus a power x into cos square of x dx upon, is there cos square x, is there cos square x, 1 plus a power x upon 1 plus a power x. This is clear? Yes or no? We can write this is, how to write, sir? So many methods are there here. Once you can write cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. That is the first method. The another method is, this is the even function. Yes or no? Cos square x is the even function. We can write this is, how to write? 0 to pi to 2. Is it clear? How to write this is? How to write this is? This is the even function. This is the even function. This is the even function. Therefore, when it is a even function, all of you listen here. This is the even function. Therefore, we can write 0 to pi cos square of x dx. After that, we can write what is the property is King property. That means integral 0 to a. 0 to a. This is called. This is also another called is called King property. 0 to a f of x dx is the integral 0 to f of a minus x. That means if you are taking 0 to a f of x, the first property this is 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So integral 0 to a f of x dx is the 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Therefore, when it is, all of you listen here, when we are taking the 2a, suppose f of 2a minus x, is it clear, all of you? When we are taking the 2a, this is, we can write it twice into f of x dx. F of 2a minus x be the f of x. Is it clear? The another property is there, integral 0 to 2a f of x dx. If f of 2a minus x is the f of x, we can write twice into 0 to f of x. If f of 2a minus x equal to minus of f of x, then it will be the 0. So here, suppose if you are taking, in this case, the twice into 0 to pi by 2 into 2. 2 are cancelled. Is it clear? We have to take by 2 into. Therefore, that's why we get pi. But cos square of pi minus x, that is 2 pi minus x. Is it clear? 2a minus x. When we are taking, this is the pi, this is compared with 2a. This is compared with 2a. The pi b can be written as 2 into pi by 2. The 2a means here pi. 2a minus x. Cos square of pi minus x is the cos square x. When the even power is there, undoubtedly it is a second quadrant, it is a minus. Minus square is the plus. Therefore here, the next step we can write f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. That means f of pi minus x. Cos square of pi minus x be minus cos x. Minus square is the plus cos x. That is f of x. That's why you can written as, now this can be written as 2 can be right outside of the integral. 2 into 2, 4. After that 0 to pi by 2 cos square of x dx. Everybody clear? Here when we are taking again it is a I. 90 minus x sin square x. Cos square, then adding them. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. That is the another method. And another method is we have to know that 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx. Reduction formula. N minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2. If even we put pi by 2, odd is, we can write 2 by 3 into 1. Therefore here, this is, how to write this is, 4 into, is it clear? 4 into, is it clear? 4 into n minus 1. N minus 1 is the 2 minus 1. N minus 1 by n. Directly we got 1 by 2. When it is 1 by 2, then you can put pi by 2. 2 cancel. What is the solution is there here? Pi is the answer. So we got the directly pi. Yes or no? Right. Okay. Here what is the value? 2i is the pi. Yes. 2i is the pi. The value of I equal to pi by 2. The value of I equal to pi by 2. Is it clear? This is the value of I. So I am requesting you all practice, watch the videos number of times. At the same time you will practice the models in the Singes, okay, or Arihant or R.D. Sharma, okay. If you have any material, please practice the similar models, okay. Now another one more question. Here only the only one concept is remaining, that is the limit of summation. Almost all concepts are covered. One more is there, only the limit of summation. That is the very easiest concept. Okay, the limit of summation. It will be there in mains point of view at the same time, and advanced also and the board also. Okay, it is the very easiest sums are there. So the one more previous side question, the integral minus 1 by 2. All of you listen here. The integral minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. The step of x, where the step denotes GIF, greatest integer function, and the log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Everybody know that when the limits are equal, we have to take the two integrals. In this case is between their plus sign, then we can split them, separate them. The integral of step x, log of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, log of 1 plus x upon 1 minus of x. Is it clear? How to write this is? Here this is the log of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. We are taking the f of x. Undoubtedly it will be the odd function. Yes or no? Therefore when we are taking the f of minus x equal to the logarithm of, all of you here, 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Therefore now this can be written as, how to write this is? We can take this is undoubtedly minus, when we are taking the minus log, we can intersect the numerator and denominator. Why? Because here whole power minus 1. We got the whole power minus 1. Log a power m is the m log a. This is the minus of f of x. Therefore, this is the odd function. When the limits are equal, upper and lower limits, then have the opposite sign. First we check it is a even or odd function. When it is an odd function, its solution is 0. The remaining only the step function. We can't be determined the step function and exponential function, therefore is even or odd. Therefore the 1 by 2 into 2, the step x dx. Everybody know that this is, how to know this is? This is the minus 1 by 2 to 0. Yes, this is the step x. All of you listen here. The first we are taking the integral minus 1 by 2 to 0 step x dx. After that we are taking 0 to 1 by 2 step x dx. Step x dx. We know that the minus 1 by 2 0. The minus of 1 by 2 to 0. The 0 below values. In between the 0 below values, undoubtedly the step is minus 0.5 is minus 1. Minus 0.4 is minus 1. Therefore, this is the minus 1. Undoubtedly, this is minus 1 dx. Yes, the integral of this is minus of 1. The minus of 1 dx having the limits minus of 1 by 2 0. Undoubtedly, the values between 0 to 0.5. The undoubtedly in between the values of 0 to 0.5, if you are taking the 0.4, the step of 0.40, 0 into dx is the 0. Now we can write here the integral of 1 is the x, that is minus of x 0 minus of 1 by 2. Minus of 1 by 2. Now we can substituting, this is the final output is the minus of 1 by 2. How to get 0 minus of minus plus 1 by 2? The required solution is the minus of 1 by 2. Yes, it is minus of 1 by 2. Right. 0 to 1 under root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. This is also the previous question, IIT question in I think 2004. IIT is 8, 2004 it is. So, how to find evaluate this one? We have to take the integral 0 to 1. The simple logic is there. Don't think about negative. If it is there x minus 1, it is a 1 minus x, it is a there x minus 1. Then we have to take x equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. Where those are 1 minus x and 1 plus x, we are in confident. That means we can write 1 minus x, 1 plus x. Therefore, 1 minus x by 1 minus x. We are taking the into 1 minus x by 1 minus x. Is it clear? Here 1 minus x is there. We have to take into 1 minus x by 1 minus x. Whole of dx. Whole of dx. Therefore, we can write this is. How to write this is? We can write this is. How to write this is? Integral 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1. This is 1 minus x into 1 minus x. Yes, the 1 minus x into 1 minus x whole square is the 1 minus x. 1 minus x into 1 minus x is 1 minus x whole square, square and under root cancel. Now this is, we can write a plus b into a minus b. Yes, the a plus b into a minus b is the a square minus b square. The a plus b into a minus b is the a square minus b square. That is 1 minus of x square dx. 1 minus of x square dx. How to write this is? We know that we can split the integrals. How to this is? 0 to 1, 1 upon root of 1 minus x square dx. This is also integral 0 to 1 is there x by. Now we can write x by under root of 1 minus of x square dx. Is it clear? Now this is minus of x by. Now we can write this is plus minus. The derivative of x square is the minus of 2x. The derivative of 1 0. The derivative of minus x square is the minus 2x. Now this is, we can write the 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square dx. This is the sine inverse of x. The limits are 0 to 1. The limits are 0 to 1. The f dash of x by root f of x. The f dash of x by root f of x is the 2 root of f of x. The f dash of x by root f of x is the 2 root of f of x. 2 into root of 1 minus of x square. The limits are 0 to 1. Now put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. 1 is the value of sine 90, sine inverse sine cancel. Put x equal to 0. After that, we can put x equal to 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Put x equal to 0 minus 2. This is pi by 2 minus 2 is the answer. Pi by 2 minus 2. Is it clear? Is there a small mistake? Here we are taking, after splitting 1 by this one minus x by this one. The derivative of x square is the minus 2x. We are taking the into 2 by 2. So here is there, you are taking into 2 by 2. 2 are cancelled, we are getting minus x. We know that the f dash of x by root f of x is the 2 root of f of x. F dash of x by root f of x is the 2 root of f of x. This is cancelled. Therefore, we got here. We got how to get this one. How to get this one? We can put x equal to 1. This is 0. This is minus 1. Is it clear? Put x equal to 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Put x equal to 0. Then it is, what is the answer? Pi by 2 minus 1. Yes, this is the pi by 2 minus 1. Right. This is today. I am requesting you all, please practice the similar models. Okay, in the Singes or Arihant or R.D. Sharma. Okay, thank you all.